Hey guys, today we are here to look at the interiors of economy class of Emirates A380 800 and Boeing 777-200 LR. To start with, here we are at the upper deck of Emirates A380's economy class, and here what we get is an additional storage space which would provide you a storage of depth somewhere around 30 centimeters. So this is something additional that we get with A380. And now here we are at the Emirates 777's economy class. Though we have enough leg space here, but the additional storage space is missing. Personally, I like the economy class of Emirates A380, which was on the upper deck, than compared to Boeing 777.